Hey everyone, in today's video, I'm going to show you how to easily get an invoice on receipt of your Target.com purchase, whether you're using app or website. Let's dive right in. First up, if you're using the Target app, follow the steps. Open up the Target app, go to the account tab, then select purchase history to find your order. Tap on the order you need. Next, select recipients, then hit view. From here, you can either present the barcode to guest services if you need to return an item or share a gift receipt. Now, if you're on Target.com, here's what you do. Log into your Target account. Go to Purchase History to find your order. Click on View Order to see all the details. Select Receipt and Invoices. If you need a detailed copy of the transaction, hit View Detailed Invoices. For returns, you can show the barcode directly on your mobile devices to guest services or print the receipt if you need a hard copy. And for it, the gift receipt, just choose Print Gift Receipt. Lastly, don't forget to check Target's return policy to make sure the items is eligible for a return. That's all for today's video. I hope this helps you to out next time. Do you need an invoice or receipt from Target? If you found this video helpful, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe for more tech tips. Thanks for watching.